This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fried bean sprouts with tofu. This is another quick and easy dish for any weekday dinner meal. The ingredients and seasoning are simple, but this dish is full of nutritional goodness and flavour. Best of all, it takes only a few minutes to prepare and cook.
Please like, share and subscribe to my Busy Daddy Cooks.
As with all stir fries, we should prepare all our ingredients first. I have here a piece of firm tofu. Cut it up into 1 to 2 cm wide strips. Put the tofu on a kitchen towel to dry them. Otherwise, there will be lots of splattering when we fry. Separate the white and green parts of the spring onion. Cut the white parts into strips. And the green parts at an angle. Finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Now, cut the carrots into matchsticks. Heat up a pan over medium flame. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now put in the tofu in one layer. Let it fry for 1 or 2 minutes till the bottom is brown. Toss and fry the other side as well. You do not need to fry and brown all sides of the tofu. Just 2 sides will do. Remove the tofu when done. In the same pan, add another teaspoon of oil if necessary. Now, toss in the garlic, the white part of the spring onions, and the carrots. Fry them till it's fragrant. Add in the bean sprouts. Add 4 tablespoons of water together with the seasoning, which is 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir fry the bean sprouts for 2 minutes. Make sure that the seasoning is combined well. Toss in the tofu. Add the green onions and a few dashes of white pepper. Mix well and we are done. This is stir-fried bean sprouts and tofu.